That third prong isn't for safety, it's for equipment longevity. Grounding is a lie, let's trace the fault. You think it catches lightning. Cute, it catches high-frequency noise, radio interference, the electromagnetic garbage your microwave broadcasts while heating leftover pizza. So what happens when a live wire snaps and kisses the metal case? Current seeks the path of least resistance. Spoiler, it's not your body, it's the copper wire. But does the breaker trip? Not even close. Breakers are dumb, they only care about overcurrent, thermal efficiency. If a fault leaks 10 milliamps, your breaker is still sleeping. You're the fuse and you're expensive. Enter the GFCI, the actual safety nerd hero. It doesn't care about ground. It watches the dance between hot and neutral. Imbalance detected. Microseconds later, circuit dead. No drama, just physics. 1965. The National Electrical Code threw a tantrum. Suddenly, grounding became mandatory. We built a cultural religion around a metal rod driven into dirt. Dirt has terrible conductivity. It's a suggestion, not a promise. Ground loops, the silent killer of audio gear and server racks. You run ground everywhere and suddenly your hum is louder than a jet engine. Equipotential bonding fixes it. Tie everything to one reference point. Stop treating ground like a magic wand. Your house is a floating island. Neutral and ground only touch at the main panel. That bonding bridge, that's the real safety net. Separate them downstream and you're playing Russian roulette with stray voltage. 1995. If joined the party, arc faults. The invisible spark that starts house fires. Grounding doesn't stop arcs. Insulation breakdown does. We're patching a sinking ship with duct tape and prayer. Let's address the elephant in the breaker box. You two-prong folks with cheater plugs. Skill issue. You're bypassing the noise drain for cheap adapter. Your laptop battery swells, your router dies. Don't blame the code, blame the weak design choice. Circuit autopsy time, trace the fault, source to load to case to ground wire to panel, panel to neutral. Neutral to transformer, transformer to earth. It's a closed loop, not a miracle, just copper and math. Grounding buys you longevity. GFCI buy you life. Pick your poison. Drop your hot takes below. I read every single one. Subscribe before your outlet decides to test you.